Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today's topic is addition and subtraction of two rational numbers. If there are two cases about it, when denominators are same, and the second case is that when denominators are not same. So first we discussed first case when we have same denominators between two rational numbers. So you have rational number 3 by 5 and minus 2 by 5 and denominators are same. Okay, this is question number 2. Question number 2, first part. There is written and here, so if we have to add these two rational numbers, just write addition sign here. So because there is a negative sign, so we can write in a bracket form. First solve bracket 3 by 5 plus minus, it becomes minus, and replace करके first of all आप addition डालें, then bracket को open करें. If there is negative, then write bracket sign here, otherwise you can solve directly. Plus minus minus 2 by 5. So we have seen that there is a same denominator in both rational numbers. Okay, so if there is the same denominator, you just write denominator once and add or subtract whatever the sign here, the numerators 2 minus 3 directly. Okay, so 2 minus 3 you have 1 divided by 5. This is your answer. Same case, ये तो बाय चांस नेगेटिव हो गया, अगर हम यहाँ पॉजिटिव डाल लेते हैं एज जस्ट फॉर द कन्वीनियंस, तो आपका डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. सो जस्ट राइट डिनोमिनेटर फर्स्ट टाइम एंड ऐड बोथ टर्म्स या ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट बोथ टर्म्स वट एवर यू हैव, plus 6 directly, so then you have 9 by 5. So this is the case. Okay, second part, when denominators are not same. So what you have to do when denominators are not same, this is part 2 of question number 2. Okay, I write over here, just write the question again. Plus 2 by 5, here negative cancel out, 2 by 3, 3 by 7 plus 2 by 5. Okay, what you have to do now, because there are denominators are not same, just take LCM of 7 and 5. The way of taking LCM 7 and 5, you are familiar with that, I know. Just divide both numbers if they have common divisor. If not, then you can do it separately. 7 1s are 7, that is 5 as it is. 5 1s are 5. Okay, there is 7 multiplied by 5, and 35 is here. This is our LCM, 35. Okay, mark a straight line, write LCM here, that is 35. What's the next procedure? Now solve this denominator term, okay, by LCM. This denominator term by LCM, write LCM above and denominator below. Okay, LCM above and denominator below, and cut these with the common divisor. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. But you got answer here. Multiply this answer with the respective denominator to whom you have divided the LCM. Okay, 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15 here. Write the sign whatever is here. Then again, first you have first के साथ solve हो गया, then solve it by second denominator. Again the same procedure, divide second denominator with the respective LCM, write LCM above and denominator below. Cut out these with the common divisor. 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. But the look at the answer what you got. Multiply this answer with the respective numerator, that is 7. Okay, understand this concept. This is very important. Students majority fail to understand this. 7 to 14. Now add these terms. For 5 4 9, 1 plus 1 2, and that is 35 here. This is your answer. Okay, same case in numerator. I'm going to explain again what is the procedure. With the negative sign, there is no difference at all. It's the question, it's part 2 of question number 5. Okay, take out LCM of 24 and 36. I'm taking LCM here. 2 is a common divisor of both terms. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 1 carry over, that is 16 here, and 2 8s are 16. 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18. Again, common divisor is 3, 3 2s are 6, and 3 3s are 9. And then again, of course, 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, we can write here. Okay, 3 1s are 3. LCM, you are really familiar with the LCM already. Multiply these terms, you got 2 3 2 multiply by 3, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24, 24 3s are 12, 2 1 carry over, 3 2 6 7 72. Okay, you got 72 here. This is your LCM. Okay, now mark a straight line, write LCM here 72, divide first denominator with the LCM. Okay, we can do it here just for your clarification. Divide denominator with the LCM, 72 above and 24 below. Cut out these. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry over, 2 6 are 12. Okay, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry over, 16 is here, 2 8 is 16. Okay, 2 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Whatever you got here, that is 3. Okay, whatever you got here, that is 3. You just have to cut out with the same denominator. Multiply this 3 with the respective numerator. 3 multiplied by 7, 21. Write the sign, whatever is here, whether it can be a plus or it can be minus. Okay, now do the same procedure. Now it's done for second denominator. Divide second denominator with the LCM. I'm doing here again 72. Write LCM above and denominator below. Cut out these with the on same common divisor. 2 1s are 2, 1 carry over, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry over, 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. This is 8 here, 16. 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are, or 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Whatever you got here, that is 2. Okay, I know you can cut out these with this, you know, familiar with it. Multiply this 2 with the respective numerator to whom you have divided. 11 multiplied by 2, 22. Plus minus minus 22 minus 21, 1 here, sign will be of greater value, negative, and 72 here. This is your answer. Okay, this is part 4 of question number 5. This is actually subtraction part, but you know there is a negative sign here, so I just suggest you to write bracket over here. Minus 11 over में 13, so just solve bracket first. Minus minus plus 15 over में 20. The procedure is same. Okay, this is question number 6, first part. Same case, if you have 3 rational terms, there is no changing at all, but you know there is 2 signs, so just write bracket over here so that you can solve these signs first and then the term. Okay, 7 plus 5 by 9 minus minus plus आ गया आपके पास, क्योंकि मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं ये. Again the rest of the procedure is same. 7 9 LCM 3 का LCM लें, and the rest of the procedure is as same. You have to do by yourself. Okay, I have given you the concept of addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Now it's up to you to solve all parts of question number 3, 5, 2, 3, 5 and 6. I have skipped question number 4 here because there is a show that वो हम बाद में करेंगे, but do all of these questions and all parts by yourself by using concept I were given here. Okay, bye.